Hello everyone, welcome to another solution video. In this video, we're going to be covering Unit 1, Lesson 3, Exercise 4. We're going to determine how to figure out how many digits a number has. So in this question, we're asking the user to input an integer, and we're going to output the number of digits the number has. Just for this question, we're going to assume that all of our integers are greater than 0. So let's start off. So starting off, we need an input from the user, and it needs to be an integer. So let's get that. So we're going to call this a number from the user, and we're going to get an input, enter an integer greater than 0. Now, way later on, we can actually force and correct our code and make it repeat an input statement if they gave us a wrong input. But for now, we're going to keep it simple and just assume that the user will give us a value greater than 0. Moving on to the processing part. What we're interested in is I want to know how many digits that number has. The example was that if we have the number 1000, it has 4 digits, 1000, whereas a number 1 has only 1 digit. So we can do that by saying, well, we can get a string version of our input by converting our integer input into a number. Then we can say the number of digits is equal to length of our string number. The reason I have to convert my original input into a string is because the length function only works for collection-based data types such as strings or lists. Therefore, if I convert it to a string, I can count or use the length function on it. If I use the length function, it will tell me how long that string is. So if I had a string of 1000, it would say 4, as in there are 4 characters in that string. So to finish this program off, in our output section, we're going to go print. We're going to say number has number of digits for our output. So let's try this out. I'm going to enter a number of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It should have 6 digits. And it's going to say 123,456 has 6 digits. So this was a nice little use of using the length function and using a string function to convert an integer back to a string. Thank you for watching. Stay classy.